Okay, so I finished up these carburetors. They're rebuilt. I did new O-rings. I soaked them overnight in a carburetor cleaner and got the choke set up. Got all my vacuum lines on there. Boom. Everything works super nicely. It's just, you know, looks like just a refurbished used part, and that's pretty much what it is, man. I like put some of these parts on from a parts bike that I have, and I've got extra carb parts. Oh, here we go. These extra carb parts were monumental to completing the task. I had a whole set of complete carbs, and I got to mix and match some parts and dial it in. I set the float height, and I should just be able to put this thing on and the thing will run like awesome, provided I didn't make a mistake. But I think I, you know, took my time and did it right. I've probably rebuilt like 5, 6 carbs, and it's pretty much the same process. Just get them clean, and I don't know. It's important to stay organized. Don't lose your parts. Have extras, like I said. You know, having a parts bike is just awesome. You have 2 things to pull from. You don't have to worry about breaking something. Obviously, you don't want to break something, but you don't have to be stressed about that. And if you encounter problems like you do on these older bikes, you're going to have stuff that you can pull from. So anyways, got those carbs rebuilt. They look great. Awesome.